Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel. And this is WordPress complete course. So without wasting time, let's know about WordPress. So what is WordPress? Well, WordPress is an open source content management system, which allows the users to build dynamic websites and blogs. WordPress is the most popular blogging system on the web and allows updating, customizing and managing the website from its back-end CMS and components. What is Content Management System? The Content Management System is a software which stores all the data such as text, photos, music, documents, etc., and is made available on your website. It helps in editing, publishing and modifying the content of the website. WordPress was initially released on May 27, 2003 by Matt Mullenweg and Mike Little. WordPress was announced as open source in October 2009. Now let's talk about WordPress features. First is user management. It allows managing the user information such as changing the role of the users to subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator, create or delete the user, change the password and user information. The main role of the user manager is authentication. Now second is media management. It is the tool for managing the media files and folder, in which you can easily upload, organize, and manage the media files on your website. Third feature is theme system. It allows modifying the site view and functionality. It includes images, style sheet, template files, and custom pages. Fourth feature is extend with plugins. Several plugins are available which provides custom functions and features according to the user's need. Fifth feature is search engine optimization. It provides several search engine optimization tools which makes on-site SEO simple. Sixth feature is multilingual. It allows translating the entire content into the language preferred by the user. Feature number 7 is importers. It allows importing data in the form of posts. It imports custom files, comments, post pages, and tags. Now let's talk about advantages. It is an open source platform and available for free. CSS files can be modified according to the design as per user's need. There are many plugins and templates available for free. Users can customize the various plugins as per their need. It is very easy to edit the content as it uses WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get is a user interface that allows the user to directly manipulate the layout of document without having a layout command. Media files can be uploaded easily and quickly. It offers several SEO tools which makes on-site SEO simple. Customization is easy according to the user's needs. It allows creating different roles for users for websites such as admin, author, editor, and contributor. And now what are the disadvantages? Using several plugins can make the website heavy to load and run. PHP knowledge is required to make modifications or changes in the WordPress website. Sometimes software needs to be updated to keep the WordPress up to date with the current browsers and mobile devices. Updating WordPress version leads to loss of data, so a backup copy of the website is required. Modifying and formatting the graphic images and tables is difficult. So this is the quick introduction about WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question you can comment below. And I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.